How to place an order on the Shein app, beginner guide. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to place an order on the Shein app, a beginner guide. First, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, browse through the categories or use the search bar at the top to find the item you want to buy. When you find a product you like, tap on it to open the product page and take a moment to check the product photos, description, customer reviews, available sizes, and color options. This helps you make sure you're choosing the right item, and it's truly an important step. Next, select your preferred size and color. After making your selections, tap the Add to Bag button. If you want to buy more items, continue shopping and add them to your bag as well. Once you're ready to place your order, tap the shopping bag icon. Review all the items in your cart and make sure the sizes, colors, and quantities are correct. Then tap Checkout to continue. On the checkout page, enter your shipping information, including your name, delivery address, and contact details. Make sure everything is accurate and double-check it to avoid delivery issues. For example, you can enter name, Maria Santos. Then, choose your preferred shipping method and select a payment option, such as a credit card, debit card, e-wallet, or any available payment method in your region. Before completing your purchase, review your order summary carefully and check the total amount, shipping fee, and delivery details. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order to finish your purchase. After your order is successfully placed, you'll receive a confirmation message and can track your order directly from the app. Tip: always check the size chart and customer reviews before buying clothing. It helps you choose the best size, and it's a habit that will save you time and frustration in the long run. So, there you go, guys, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.